Hello, good morning everyone. Today I'm going to cook Indian famous samosa and it is really very delicious. For that we don't need too much budget. It's cheap but it is very good nice snacks and it is very famous. Especially these dish arrive from Punjabi people. Like Punjabi people eat this and it spread all over the India. It's very delicious dish. You can make it veg and non-vegetarian as well. Today I am going to prepare vegetarian samosas. So let's see the recipe here. Ingredient for these you need boiled potatoes. I take 5 pieces of. This is carrot. I grated it. You need green peas as well, but I don't have, so I'm not going to use that. This is ginger. I grated. Cumin seed. This is ajwain seed. You need all-purpose flour. We call maida. This is turmeric powder. Then this is Indian butter. This is chaat masala. You need salt. You need cumin seed powder, and you need chili. Okay, guys. So let's start the recipe now.
Are you excited for samosa, Mami samosa?
Yes.
Okay.
First of all, we will prepare dough here, and for dough, there is all-purpose flour. I take 2 cup of all-purpose flour. You add these ajwain seed in it. Then there is a Indian ghee, which is called Indian butter. We have to put it inside. It will give like nice crispy flavor. And also you need salt according to the taste. I'm putting just half teaspoon of salt. Yeah. Now mix it up well, all ingredients, and prepare your dough tight. If there is no butter, you can straight away prepare. Still you can prepare, but this butter give different flavor. Yeah. Our dough is ready now, so I'm going to put this for rest. Okay guys, I'm going to start now the fillet. So for that you need 3 teaspoon of oil. Oil is hot. You put cumin seed inside. Let cumin seed little bit crackle. Then I will put some grated ginger. Once ginger is little bit roasted in the oil, first of all I will put this carrot. You can put green peas as well, but I don't have green peas, so I'm putting carrot. Carrot is ready now, guys. So I will add our potatoes. Potatoes is not totally mashed. You can see. I leave some half lump. It's good. I mixed it up potato and carrot very well. Now we will start our ingredients. Chili according to your taste. I will not give you exact amount, but guys you can put according to your taste. I put 1 teaspoon. This is cumin seed powder and salt as well, because here you have to careful. You add already salt to the dough, so you add the salt according to taste. Now I am going to add some turmeric powder. It gives nice flavor. You need just half spoon. This is optional. This is called chaat masala. If it is not available, this is optional as well. It's similar like how we do lumpia, guys. So our fillet is ready, guys. It takes just 5 minutes. just to cook it because potato is already boiled. Yeah, our fillet is ready now. Our fillet is ready now, so I will prepare the samosas wrapper. You can see here. If you know how to do fast, it's very easy recipe for you. From one this wrapper, we will cook 2 samosas. Yeah, you can see the seed inside. This seed I put. It tastes totally differently when it fried. Okay guys, our round shape is ready. Our wrapper is ready. What I will do, cut it in the half piece and put it aside. Okay, you do same to every wrapper. Hello guys, I am ready with my this wrapper. You can see I prepared it and put it aside. So we will start now how to wrap it. Yeah, what you do, you half it like this, and for to stick them up you need little bit water to apply there. You can see, you do the way how I'm doing, because if it is open your oil will get messed up. So you have to make sure it stick together. It's like a cone shape, and in this cone you have to put the fillet. Look, my fillet here is ready, and I'm going to fill this up. It's up to you how much you need fillet as well, because I'm preparing for home, so I will fill it up very nicely. If it is for business purpose, you can make it little bit less. Okay guys, you can see fillet is fill up. I will apply water here again, and we will seal it up. You can see this is the shape of samosas, triangle. I will make another one and show you. Guys, all my samosas are ready for fry. You can see it is all triangle and it is ready for to fry. Guys, I think so our oil is ready now. Slowly you put samosa inside, very gently. According to the space you put it. I'm putting 3 at the time. Approximately it takes 5 minutes to fry the samosa. Don't touch it if it is like it is not ready, otherwise it will tear off and it will spill your oil. You see, one side is ready, so gently you turn the samosa. It should be like golden brown color. Yeah, and flame is not too high, not too low, because if it is high, the top only will cook and inside it will not cook thoroughly. As inside is cooked thoroughly, so we are just frying it. Look guys, I can see it is frying perfectly. This is now brown, you can see both sides. This is now ready to take it out. Okay guys, I'm taking it out. Drain the oil properly. That's it. Guys, now we are ready for eating. Shana is waiting. So let's eat guys.
Guys, luto na ang famous samosa ni Madam Shama. I find out now it's very complicated to cook this samosa. That's why it's very expensive outside. So Tikman natin ang samosa ni Madam Shama. You will taste Nini first or me? You? Okay. So Nini wants. Do you want with ketchup? No?
Here they prepare different chutney, but today we are eating with ketchup.
So Nini wants to taste first.
Guys, you can put some non-veg as well, like mince, beef, chicken, but it should be in mince form, and you can fry it.
Okay, let's see, Nina. Let's see.
Is it hot? Hot?
Good.
Oh.
You like it?
She likes it. But it is hot.
It's hot. It's still hot.
Still hot.
But yeah, is it yummy? Okay, let me taste. I will taste first without ketchup because it's look yummy, guys. Look, guys. It's very. It's look like yummy. Tikman natin. Yeah, Nini is. She can wait. She's eating now.
Nice.
Yeah, it's crunchy outside. Sorry. It's crunchy outside, but inside it's soft because of this
Potatoes.
potatoes. But because of this, what this?
All ingredient.
Not carrots.
Mm.
Carrots, I can taste sweetness and all these spices and masala. Very delicious. Masarap talaga, guys. Masarap, kaya pala famous tong samosa. But I've been outside with Kartik, but I prepared home cook.
Home cook.
Because
Yeah.
that one is very spicy. But this one that you cook, I like it. So let's taste with ketchup, Nina. Do you like with ketchup?
Sana is eating now. Nice, Sana? Must say. Oh, she likes samosa.
It tastes more delicious when you put ketchup because you know ketchup it has sweetness. And I think this one because in Philippines like we have this lumpia, we use vinegar, but I think this one will not work with vinegar. It's good with ketchup or this special sauce. But guys, I really like this. This is very nice Indian. What is this? This is main
Samosa.
course or just for snacks? For snacks, yeah.
It's for snacks.
Okay, yeah.
Usually they put green peas inside.
Green peas, but
Green peas. But I put
I-
carrot for Sanaya. I tried just
Yeah.
first time and it worked very nicely. Do you like Sanaya? So it's now.
But you put ginger, yeah?
Yes, you
I
can
can.
taste.
No,
Very mild.
very mild, but this is perfect for me because I don't want very.
Because I
strong
roasted ginger in the oil, so
Yeah.
it relieved the taste.
But because of this masala, then cumin seeds, very tasty. Okay, thank you very much, Madam Shama. Look, Nina. She really enjoying. Okay, guys.
Nice. I'm happy that Bimbo like it today, and I think so he will finish all the samosa today. So I'm happy. Thank you guys for watching. Keep watching us and keep supporting. Thank you.